Hello, me folks. So we started today, day one, at the IFA show here in Frankfurt, Germany. We just starting our tour around the IFA show, and we started here at the Kerry booth. I would like to introduce Jacqueline and Liam from Kerry.
Hi guys.
Hi everyone.
Hiya.
So it's been excited, and I think for a lot of folks trying to do like this virtual, and now all of a sudden this is full of people. So how's been everything before and prior to the pandemic? We can just start from there.
Actually, before the pandemic it was completely normal to have trade shows going on, meeting loads of people, meeting customers, general people interesting in what we do. And then during the pandemic it was so quiet. And even with virtual trade shows we had them, but it's a whole different interaction. You don't really have those in-person conversations as well. So we're actually pretty excited to be back at a trade show and actually meeting people even without masks, a wonder. And having proper conversations. They're getting the more personal connection as well. So really looking forward to that week.
Yeah, absolutely. I've spoken to a couple of guys this morning from Argentina, from Egypt, from Turkey. These aren't conversations we have in the day to day, so it's great to talk to other people and help them solve challenges. So that's what we have to do, demonstrate how Kerry can help them solve the challenges they have in the business.
So for this 2022, what are some of the challenges, most common things that customers ask you about?
I think certainly from a plant protein perspective, so I look after that from a Central Europe perspective. People want to make better products. They have issues with textures, they have issues with shelf life, so preservation will be a huge focus for us as a business. So we have some fantastic solutions that can help them, extend the shelf life, reduce wastage is one of the kind of key drivers that we have within our sustainability policy as a business. And then just make things taste really good. That's a huge focus for us. Make plant taste delicious. And now we have all the tools to do that.
What's your role for Kerry?
I work in business development, so again, I look after Central Europe and our global customers, so work with them on new opportunities. They would come to us with an innovation challenge, they want to launch something new and interesting. We would work with the development team to create solutions, demonstrate some of our leading ingredients and how they can kind of step change their products that they make.
Can you tell us what's your role for Kerry?
Yeah, sure. I'm the marketing manager for North Europe, so we define North Europe as Benelux, Scandi and the DACH region. And I'm looking after all product categories, so not only meat or plant-based, but that's actually also dairy and ice cream or confectionery, so quite versatile. And for the meat part especially, we're focusing on plant-based, as Liam already said, but also taste. And taste would also be not just making things delicious and mouth-watering, but also helping with salt reduction, for example, or sugar reduction. Let's say in marinades, when you have loads of salt or sugar in the marinades, to actually still make them really tasty and succulent, but also having them a bit healthier. And then also the preservation, so shelf life security as well, and just reducing food waste, which is a big focus as well.
I was telling you earlier about how the meat industry leads you, and it's kind of amazing because when I was first exposed to Europe was actually in Ireland, and back in 2013, I was looking for some internships, and Marguerite Gleason, she was in Waterford Institute of Technology. I did my a 1-year student exchange over there, and man, it's amazing how the industry ultimately leads you to, and I've been fortunate to have been working with you on some projects, and thank you a lot for having us here, and
you're welcome.
We're glad to just get to know more about what you guys do, and this looks pretty.
But you need to come back for lunch when the concepts are ready.
Yeah, probably.
Absolutely.
And taste yourself through them.
Absolutely. Thank you.
No worries.
You're welcome.
Cheers, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.